Hello students, welcome all of you in Rayat online lecture series for junior college project. In the previous lecture, we have seen the dissociation constant for weak acids and weak bases. And also we have seen the Ostwald dilution law for weak acids and weak bases. In the dissociation constant for weak acids and weak bases, the definition of dissociation constant for weak acid and weak base is the equilibrium constant is obtained by applying the law of mass action to the respective equilibrium reactions such as acids or base. Then also in case of Ostwald dilution law for weak acid and weak base, the statement for Ostwald dilution law for weak acid and weak base is that the degree of dissociation of weak acid or weak base is directly proportional to the square root of volume of the solution or inversely proportional to the square root of the concentration. This is a statement already we have seen. In the next lecture, in today, in this lecture, we have to see the atto-ionization of water, then pH scale, definition of pH and pOH, relation between pH and pOH, and also we have to study the acidity, basicity, and neutrality of the solution. This is the 5th lecture. Now let's start the atto-ionization of water and ionic product of water. Suppose here water dissociates to a very small extent as how this H2 it gives H plus, H2 it gives H plus OH minus. That means what? This H2 dissociate in a small extent, therefore it represents by double arrow and gives H plus OH minus. According to the modern concept, the proton H plus ion, proton means H, hydrogen ion, H plus ion is unstable and combines with H2 to form H3O plus, and H3O plus is called as the hydronium ion. Whenever this H plus ions it combines with H2 gives H3O, that is the hydronium ion. Thus water actually ionizes as that is what 2 of H2O in liquid state it gives what H3O plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous. The behavior of H3O plus and that of the H plus, that means what the H3O means what hydronium ion and hydrogen ion is the same. Hence for simplicity we consider following equilibrium. म्हणजे या इक्वेशन ऐवजी आपल्याला सोपी पद्धत म्हणजे आपण ही लिहू शकतो म्हणजे आपल्या सुईसाठी H2 it gives H plus OH minus. That means what in place of this 2 of H2 you can write H2 it gives H plus OH minus. That means what hydrogen ion plus hydroxyl ions. आता हे जे इक्वेशन आहे H2O plus H plus OH याला काय केलं आपण by applying the law of mass action to the above equilibrium reaction, that is equation number 1, this equation H2 याला law of mass action apply केला, then what will get the applying the law of mass action to the above equilibrium reaction at equilibrium constant K can be written as, therefore what K is equal to product upon reactant. Product काय होतं या ठिकाणी H plus concentration of H plus concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of H2O. And here K is what dissociation constant for water. Here water dissociate a very small extent, therefore it is a constant, and next constant, new constant is called as the K dash. Yeah, H2 it is present in large excess or it is very small, therefore it is a constant, and that constant is a K dash, therefore K हा के जो आहे तो या तिरकस गुणाकाराने या ठिकाणी गेला, म्हणून के इंटू के डॅश इज इक्वल टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस इंटू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ OH मायनस, देअरफॉर के इंटू के डॅश is equal to Kw, and therefore Kw is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus, or you can write Kw is equal to concentration of hydronium ion, that is H3O plus, and concentration of hydroxyl ion, that is OH minus, and where Kw is the ionic product of water. What is the equation for ionic product of water? Kw is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus, or concentration of S, or Kw is equal to concentration of H3O, that means what? Hydronium ion, and concentration of hydroxyl ion. Then what is the definition of ionic product of water? The ionic product, that is what? Kw. The ionic product of water is the product of molar concentrations of H plus, that is hydrogen ion or hydronium ions, and hydroxyl ions in pure water at the given temperature. What is the definition of ionic product of water? The ionic product of water is the product of molar concentrations of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion and hydroxyl ions in pure water at the given temperature. This ionic product of water depends on the temperature. कशावरती अवलंबून आहे ionic product of water? Temperature वरती. म्हणजे whenever this ionic product increases, at that time temperature also increases. In pure water, hydronium ion is equal to hydroxyl ions. That means what? Concentration of H3O plus is equal to concentration of OH minus, that is hydroxyl ion. And value of that H3O and OH is what? Value of this म्हणजे H3O ची सुद्धा किती आहे? 1 into 10 to the minus 7, आणि OH ची सुद्धा किती आहे? 1 into 10 to the minus 7. परंतु या ठिकाणी H3O आणि OH हे दोन्ही सारखेच आहेत. Therefore the value of the hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion is the same, that is 1 into 10 to the minus 7 mole per liter. At 298 Kelvin, the Kw is equal to hydronium ion ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 1 into 10 to the minus 7, आणि hydroxyl ion ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 1 into 10 to the minus 7. या दोन्हींची मिळून किती झाली मग या ठिकाणी? किती झाली? 1 into 10 to the minus 14. किती झाली? 1 into 10 to the minus 14. आणि मोल into मोल स्क्वेअर, आणि लिटर पर लिटर आहे म्हणजे लिटर पर स्क्वेअर. Therefore the value of Kw is equal to 1 into 10 to the minus 14 mole square per liter square. This is the value of Kw, and Kw is the ionic product of water. The next point, pH and pOH. What is meant by pH and what is meant by pOH? या ठिकाणी pH ची डेफिनेशन आहे. Define the term pH and pOH. असा क्वेश्चन येऊ शकतो. At that time we had to write the definition of pH. pH is defined as negative logarithm, या ठिकाणी negative logarithm to the base 10. काय सांगितलं या ठिकाणी? Negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration, or pH is defined as a negative logarithm to the base 10 of molar concentration of H plus ions in the solution. H plus ions in the solution. Therefore, according to this word, pH is equal to negative log to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. Or you can write this equation: pH is equal to log to the base 10 of reciprocal of concentration of H plus ions. Then pOH is equal to pH is defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of molar concentration of OH minus, that is what? Hydroxyl ions in the solution. Or pH is negative log to the base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration. Therefore here pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration, or you can write pOH is equal to log to the base 10 of reciprocal of concentration of OH minus ions. These pH and pOH are expressed in mole per dm cube. Mole per dm cube. Then what is meant by pH? P stands for potential, and potential means what? Strength, or it is also called as the potential. या ठिकाणी 2 मार्काला क्वेश्चन येतो. Define pH and pOH. जे pH ची डेफिनेशन काय आहे? pH is या इक्वेशन वर pH is negative log to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration and pOH is the pOH पाहिजे sorry the pOH पाहिजे pOH is equal to negative log to the base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration. This is the definition behind pH and pOH. Next point, prove that. काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आपल्याला या ठिकाणी pH plus pOH is equal to 14 ही इक्वेशन आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायची. मग काय होतं या ठिकाणी pH plus pOH is equal to 14. मग ionic product of water. What is the ionic product of water? That is Kw. आणि मग आपण आताच पाहिलं Kw is equal to concentration of hydrogen ion and concentration of hydroxyl ions. What is the value of this Kw? Kw is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14 at 298 Kelvin. Therefore, the value of this Kw H3O म्हणजे hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. That is what concentration of H3O ions, hydronium ion and concentration of OH hydroxyl ions is equal to Kw and Kw value किती आहे 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. Taking logarithm of both sides we get. आता याला log जर केलं तर आपल्याला काय व्हॅल्यू मिळेल ही concentration of H3O plus ion आणि त्या log ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर काय होईल log 10 of H3O plus log 10 OH minus and is equal to या ठिकाणी डायरेक्ट काय झालं या ठिकाणी -14 या ठिकाणी काय होतं इथं -14. therefore by multiplying -1 we get काय मिळेल आपल्याला या ठिकाणी minus log to the base 10 of H3O plus ion concentration plus च्या ठिकाणी प्लस चिन्ह आहे पुन्हा -1 ने याला गुणल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय झालं minus log to the base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration आणि मायनस मायनस इज झाले प्लस दॅट इज इक्वल टू 14. therefore here what काय आता या ठिकाणी तुम्ही इथं पुढे log 10 असेल तरी काय लिहिलं नाही लिहिलं तरी काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. you can write -14 here also and therefore whenever by multiplying -1 to this equation we get minus log to the base 10 of hydronium ion concentration plus minus log to the base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to 14. And म्हणून या ठिकाणी by definition of pH, what is the definition of pH? pH is the negative log to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration or hydronium ion concentration. या ठिकाणी काय आली व्हॅल्यू याची pH आली आणि मग या ठिकाणी पुन्हा also the pOH is defined as pOH is the negative log to the base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration and therefore the value of this equation is what pOH आणि या ठिकाणी 14 आहे म्हणून negative log to the base 10 of hydronium ion concentration is pH and plus च्या ठिकाणी प्लस चिन्ह आणि negative log to the base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration is a pOH and therefore it is equal to 14 and therefore pH plus pOH is equal to 14. या दोन मार्कासाठी इक्वेशन येतो derive the equation pH plus pOH is equal to 14 किंवा derive the relation between pH and pOH दोन मार्कासाठी या ठिकाणी तुम्ही इक्वेशन जरी नुसतं एवढं लिहिलं तर अर्धा मार्क तुम्हाला पडून जातो. या ठिकाणी अर्धा मार्क मिळतो या ठिकाणी अर्धा हाफ मार्क या ठिकाणी हाफ मार्क आणि या ठिकाणी हाफ मार्क दोन मार्कासाठी हा इक्वेशन हा प्रश्न विचारला जातो. pH of this solution decreases with increasing temperature. pH जर कमी झालं तर टेम्परेचर काय होतं वाढतं आणि pH of the boiling water is how much 6.56. अशा पद्धतीचं हे इक्वेशन येऊ शकतं आपल्याला pH plus pOH. Then what is meant by pH scale? Scale which introduce given solution is either acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Therefore here pH scale introduced by Sorensen which express the H plus ions concentration very conveniently and so it is called as the pH scale. आता या ठिकाणी हे केअरफुली पहा जरा हे 3 पॉइंट आहेत या ठिकाणी कशा पद्धतीने दिले तर if the pH of the given solution is less than 7 pH जर 7 पेक्षा कमी असेल म्हणजेच काय आहे हायड्रोनियम आयन इज मोर दॅन हायड्रॉक्सिल आयन्स म्हणजे त्याचा ऍसिडिटी जास्त वाढते. ज्या वेळेस pH 7 पेक्षा कमी कमी होत जातो त्यावेळेस त्याचा हायड्रोनियम आयन काय होतं वाढत जात असतं. म्हणून या ठिकाणी दिले पहा काय द हायड्रोनियम कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ हायड्रोनियम आयन इज मोर दॅन दी हायड्रॉक्सिल आयन्स मोर दॅन दी हायड्रोक्सिल आयन म्हणजेच काय the value of hydronium ion is more than 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 molar. Therefore, the given solution is acidic in nature. हे तिन्ही पॉइंट तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायचे. pH is less than 7 is equal to the pH is a neutral. दॅट मीन्स व्हॉट 7 पेक्षा त्याचा पीएच कमी आहे म्हणजेच हायड्रोनियम आयन हायड्रॉक्सिल आयन पेक्षा जादा आहे म्हणजेच हायड्रोनियम आयन 1 × 10⁻⁷ पेक्षा जास्त आहे म्हणजेच त्याचा पीएच कसा आहे 7 पेक्षा कमी आहे म्हणून ते सोल्युशन आपल्याला ऍसिडिक आहे. इफ द pH of the given solution is more than 7, that means what pH is more than 7, solution is basic. That means what hydronium ion is less than hydroxyl ions. That means what hydroxyl ions is more than hydronium ion. Therefore, hydronium ion is less than 1 × 10⁻⁷. Therefore, the solution becomes or solution is a basic. Third point, if the pH of the given solution is equal to 7, exact 7 आहे, that means the solution is neutral. And neutral means what? Hydronium ion is also equal to hydroxyl ions is equal to 1 × 10⁻⁷ मोल. म्हणजे हायड्रोनियम आयनची व्हॅल्यू सुद्धा 1 × 10⁻⁷ आहे, हायड्रोक्सिल आयनची व्हॅल्यू सुद्धा 1 × 10⁻⁷ आहे. म्हणजे pH of the hydronium ion and hydroxyl ions, that means what is a 7. Therefore, solution is a neutral in nature. This is about the today's lecture. Then thanks for watching.